question 8, we have Mina saved $2 and $5 in the ratio of 5 to 3. She took out 36 $2 note and added the same number of $5 note, and then the ratio became 2 to 3. Your very first ratio at first, $2 note to $5 note, 5 is to 3. Then the changes, right, everybody, is you take out 36 $2 note and you added the same $5 note, everybody. So your changes, okay, your changes are very, very important because that tells you what you need to do. You minus 36 $2 note, you added the same number of $2 note, means you added 36 $5 note. Okay, what is more important than what has changed is what did not change. Can you all tell me what never changed? Okay, because this will help you to be able to do all the questions on change strategy. Yes, it's the total. Why is it the total? Whatever you minus away, you add it back, right? So it's your total, okay? Your total. Which also means, right, at this point in time, you all should already go and find the total here, which is 5 plus 3 is 8. Then, right, now I want to go and find in the end what is the ratio. Let me get out from the question. Now they say, right, the ratio is 2 to 3. So $2 to $5 to total is 2 is to 3. You take 2 plus 3 is 5. Because of the fact that you minus 36, you add back 36, the total shouldn't change. But here your total is 8, your total is 5 here, right? What should you all do? Make it the same. Yes, you make your total the same, right? Okay, you make your total here and here the same. Internal transfer. Times 5 here and times 8 here. You're right, okay? Internal transfer, we must make total the same. Alright, so if you do this correctly, you get 25 is to 15 is to 40. This one you get 16 is to 24 is to 40. Once you change your ratio already, right, I always recommend you all, right, to box up the last ratio here so that your eyes, right, your eyes will only look at the last ratio. Because sometimes very funny one. You all already changed the ratio, but then I don't know why, right, your final answer, you go and look at the original ratio, then you get wrong. And that really happened to a lot of students. That's why I always tell our students, okay, box it up so that you can see it, you prevent careless mistake right there. Okay, so after you do this, what happened? I want to focus in the changes because I know the change is either you minus 36 or you plus 36. This is the only number I can work with here. So let's look at the changes, okay? $2, you have 25 unit. Then it becomes 16 unit, right? So I want you all to look at the change. 25 unit, okay, becomes 16 unit. Is a 9 unit. Yes, those of you getting 300, very good, okay? Now, isn't it the same thing if you check for $5? From 15 unit become 24 unit, right? If you take 24 unit minus 15 unit, you will also get back the 9 unit. The reason why the change is the same is because the change number here is the same. You minus 36 for $2, you also plus 36 for $5. The change number should be the same. So, right, the fact that your change is a 9 unit, right, everybody? Your 9 unit, okay, is equals to 36. 1 unit, you take 36 divided by 9, you will get 4. Find the total value of your $5 note that Mina saved at first. So, Mina saved $5 note at first is your 15 unit. Remember I told you about the boxing up, everybody? I told you box up so your eye will see here. Your eye don't see back the 3 unit. You go and use the 3 unit wrong already. To find 15 unit, since 1 unit is 4, 15 unit is 15 times 4, okay, which is 60. When you get 60, right, everybody, you're not done yet. 60 is your quantity. I see somebody say quantity, I'm very, very good. 60 is how many $5 note you have. But they are asking for the value. So if you got $65 note, right, how much is the money? Okay, so the total value, alright, is 60 times $5. That's how you get the answer, which is $300. Yes, $300.